The Kowardo Suspension Bridge, located in the Skardu district of Gilgit-Baltistan, is a vital engineering feat and a scenic landmark over the Indus River. Known locally as one of the longest suspension bridges in Pakistan, it serves as a critical lifeline for the remote communities in the region. The bridge was constructed to bridge the gap between the isolated villages of Kowardo and Komra and the main city of Skardu. Before its construction, residents relied on dangerous river crossings or lengthy detours through the rugged mountain terrain. The bridge is a classic wire and wood suspension design, common in the high-altitude regions of northern Pakistan. It is designed to handle pedestrians, motorbikes, and small vehicles, though its swaying motion and height over the rushing Indus often earn it a reputation as one of the scariest or most adventurous crossings for tourists. Significance: beyond its utility for locals transporting goods and livestock, the bridge has become a major off-the-beaten-path tourist attraction. It offers panoramic views of the Skardu Valley, the cold desert, and the surrounding Karakoram peaks. Maintenance: like many suspension bridges in Gilgit-Baltistan, the Kowardo Bridge requires frequent maintenance due to the extreme weather conditions. Heavy snowfall and high winds often damage the wooden planks and tension wires, necessitating community-led and government repairs to keep the link active. If you are visiting, the best time to see the bridge is during sunset. The light hitting the Indus River and the golden sand dunes of the nearby Safaranga Desert creates a stunning backdrop for photography. Would you like me to help you plan a travel itinerary for Skardu or find more details on other famous bridges in Gilgit-Baltistan?
dapple gray.